In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collections in Framer. A collection in Framer's CMS is where you organize repeatable content, like blog posts, testimonials, or highlights. We'll walk through creating a new collection, adding your first item, and setting a few useful field options so your content stays consistent and ready to publish. Start by opening your Framer project and head to the CMS panel on the left sidebar. This is the home base for all your structured content. Inside the CMS, go to Collections. Here you'll see any existing collections, plus the option to create a new one. Click Add, then choose Add Collection. When prompted, type the name of your collection. For this walkthrough, enter Highlight. Clear singular names work best because they become part of your content model and can appear in slugs or bindings. After naming it, select the new Highlight collection to open it. Next, add your first entry by clicking New Item. You'll see fields such as title and other defaults depending on your setup. Click into the primary field and enter a sample value. Using Highlight is fine for now, so you have something to work with. If there's a slug or summary field, give those a quick pass too. You can always refine them later. By default, new items are saved as draft. If you're ready for this item to be visible on your published site or in live data bindings, switch its status from draft to live. If you're still experimenting, keep it as draft until everything looks right. Now, let's fine-tune your fields so your content stays clean. Click the Content view for the collection to see your items, then open a field's settings. This is where you control validation and localization. Turn on Required for fields that must always be filled. Title is a common choice. Set a max length if you need to prevent overly long entries. This is especially helpful for headlines that need to fit specific designs. If your site supports multiple languages, enable localization so that field can store translations per locale. These options help maintain consistency across your team and reduce layout issues later. When you're done configuring, return to the Content tab to review your item in context. Make sure your sample highlight entry looks correct and that the live status reflects your intent. Your changes save automatically, but it's a good habit to double-check before moving on. That's it. You created a new collection, added your first item, set its status, and tightened up field rules. With these basics in place, you're ready to scale content